process. You don't wear headscarf because you think it's too complicated to tie or you wouldn't look good in them.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so.
Hi family, it's been a minute. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to prove to you that headscarf is so easy to tie. Watch, enjoy, and continue to look fabulous. What do you think about the style so far? By the way, these scarves are available to be purchased. Well, I had to close my Shopify store because it's been hectic managing the store. So I have listed these gorgeous extra length scarves in my Etsy shop. And I'm currently running about 25 to 30% off one-time offer. I haven't got much stock left, so grab yours while stock lasts. I will pin the link to the store below. I have other pieces as well. Please feel free to check them out. Give it a try. The beauty of these headscarf is that it's so stretchy, so you are able to manipulate it in different ways. Please don't beat yourself to it. I can almost guarantee that every attempt you make will turn out different. So there is no right or wrong formula to tying a headscarf. Just go with the flow, give it a try, give it a go, you will get there. You just have to have an idea of what you want to achieve and just go with the flow. Give it a try. I would really love to know what you think about these styles. Did you find it easy to follow? In fact, I have many more styles coming up. I just didn't want to make this video too long. So let me know if you want to see the other styles in the comment section below. I can't wait to hear from you and read all your comments. Until I see you next time, please comment, like, share, and thank you so much. I will see you next time. Take care. Bye.